Greetings to everyone. So, myself, I am Varun Pradeep Dave, and I'm very privileged to be here. Thank you, TEDx Prahlad Nagar, for giving me this opportunity. And I'm very grateful of living gods, the living gods of my life, my parents, that without their sacrifices and support, I wouldn't be a person what I am today. So, basically, I come from a very typical Indian family where you only get two choices to get successful in your life. First is either you become a doctor or an engineer. But I thought that these both are not in my field. So I thought, now let's take a third option and pursue my career in sports. So now let's talk about my sports career. When I was young, I'm still young, but when I was pretty young, uh, I think that when I was in fourth or fifth standard, I had a dream that I I want to wear the Indian jersey, representing my country, holding the tackle at my back, and want to win a medal for my country. So, so I was very passionate about it that I want to represent my country in any sports. And at that time I didn't know for which sport I want to play, but the only thing I want to do that I want to represent my country. So first of all, I started playing cricket, and I thought that my bat was more interested to hit my head than the ball. So now I thought that let's change this game because I was not allowed to pursue my career in cricket, because you know that Indian families, you are not allowed to continue a thing in which you are injured doing that. So I left playing cricket at that time. Then I played football. Then I played basketball. But eventually nothing happened as I wanted, because in my school time I don't want to take any names, but I was like criticized a lot by everyone due to my short height, and everyone used to tell me that you are not meant for sports and you cannot do sports. And I have lose my every hope at that time. So I was then in my 10th standard at that time. So I thought, now let it be. It will happen when it will. So I left playing any sports at that time and I started studying. So because if I will not study, I will not get admission in any good engineering college. So after everything got over, in my 10th standard vacation, I started going to a gym, and then I then started doing powerlifting. And at that time, I didn't know that well I make through in this, because imagine a guy who is 15 years of age having body weight of 45 to 50 kg, and he is very short heighted. What he would do, or what I will lift at that time, my school bag, my school bottle. But eventually I started because I wanted to become a sports person. So I started working very hard because I know that I want to make through now in this. I don't want to skip this game. So I eventually started working out like 3 to 4 hours a day, and it was pretty high for a guy who is a sub-junior guy, is a 15 years of age. So after a few months, I was like selected in the district team, and I was going to play the state tournaments. And in my first 3 state tournaments, I didn't win any place because I know I was pretty young at that time. But I was very happy because I didn't have anything to lose any hope, because I've started with zero and I'm still at that. I have to do something in my life. So I thought, now the thing I have did, that is not enough. So I started working out more harder. Then I thought, now let's try it again. Then now it was my fourth state championship, and this time I won the gold medal. And it was like the first ever gold medal of my life. And then as if I won the gold medal, I was directly selected. Each and every gold medal of every category got selected in the state team. So now I was going to play in the nationals. So now I was going to play the nationals, and this was my first ever nationals of my life. Now imagine a guy who is not even selected or always criticized that you are not meant for sport. He's representing his state and playing national tournaments. And this time, I literally changed all the history that I was winning 3 gold medals. Not one, but 3 gold medals in my first nationals. And it was a very spectacular performance by a guy who is of 15 years of age. And everyone appreciated me a lot. And I was like literally that happy that I was wearing the 3 medals whole day. And every 5 to 10 minutes I was looking at the mirror and seeing that, is this the same guy who was before? And then I was very happy at that time. And after everything got over, I was returning in the train, and I was sleeping at that time. And at that time, I was having the same dream which I had, that I am playing for my country, wearing the India blazer, holding the tackle at my back, and winning the medal. At that time, I didn't know for which sport I will do, but this time I was pretty sure that which sport. And you would not believe, but this really happened. One of the senior players woke me up, and I was pretty sleepy at that time because I was very tired. And I opened my eyes, and you know that Indian Railways have 3 compartments for sleeping. I was sleeping in the 3rd compartment, and I heard something like they are talking about the new Team India list players, the list of the Team India players who are going to represent the country in the next international tournaments. So I suddenly jumped from the 3rd compartment. I was sleeping, and I grabbed his phone, and I was scrolling, and I saw a name, Varun Pradeep Dave. A guy who was not even selected in a class team or an inter-school tournament. He was now selected in Team India, and he was going to represent his country. And I thought, now I have this only chance to make my dream real. So next 6 months, I got a letter that after 6 months I have to play the World Championship 2017. So now this 6 months I literally shifted my every focus on sports. And as if I was doing engineering, I was having morning 9 to 5 college, then 5 to 6:30 tuitions, and then after that 6:30 I directly go to my gym, and I do workout for almost 4 hours till 11:30. And imagine a guy of 16 years of age, he's working like the whole day, and I was getting only 3 to 4 hours of sleep. But it all matters. Now it was a show time. I played the World Championship 2017, and at that time the results were I again won a gold medal. And still, when I describe those moments, I have a flashback of that time, I suddenly get goosebumps, because I was standing on the stage, and the announcement was the first place goes to Varun Dave, Team India. And then I was holding the title at my back, wearing the gold medal, and the national anthem was played for me. And it was a very proud moment for me. But you know that life has its own twists and turns. So after I returned from my World Championship, I was having the university's exam of my engineering. And I not studied the 6 months at that time. So I knew that I didn't know anything, but my parents thought I will. But the results in my exam, I was failed in 3 subjects out of 5. So then I was not allowed, because I was from a family where you are only focused on, when you have to only focus on studies. So I literally left playing powerlifting for 8 months. And after 8 months, when I cleared everything, I started going to the gym again. But this time I was not having the same power, the same strength, because I have not played, or I have not even touched my weightlifting bar at that time. So it was very hard for me now. But now, after the 1 year, after that 8 months, when I played 4 tournaments, and I lost every 4 tournament, each and every tournament, I lost. I didn't win any place. And then people started again criticizing me that ये तो तुक्के से बन गया, वर्ल्ड चैंपियन को हमने नेशनल्स में हरा दिया, स्टेट में हरा दिया. But I am a person who never steps back. And अगर मैं कहना चाहूँ तो मैं ऐसा बंदा हूँ कि मेरे से हार हजम नहीं होती, और मैं जीतने के लिए कोई भी हद तक कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. बस मेरे को जीत चाहिए. बस मेरे को हार से मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम है लाइफ में. सो आई डिडंट लूज एनी होप, एंड एवरीवन थॉट दैट आई लेफ्ट पावर लिफ्टिंग अगेन. बट आई वाज अंडरग्राउंड फॉर 6 months. And after 6 months, I didn't announce that I'm going to play, but it was the one of the greatest and the best state tournament ever held in Gujarat. I suddenly gone at that place and I told I'm playing. Everyone was like shocked looking at me, and some of those told me कि आ गया तू फिर से हारने के लिए. I didn't utter any word at that time, but the results at that time, I said everything for my performance. The results at that time, I like the king was rethroned and again won the gold medal. But this time I broke the record that now I was the youngest ever strongman of Gujarat. Means at the age of 17, I won the title of the strongest man of Gujarat. No one has did or won this title even in India at this age. And the only thing in my head was that I did it. And I want to say a thing that सपने सच होते हैं अगर तुम जिद पे अड़ जाओ उसे पूरा करने के लिए. And I repeat it again, सपने सच होते हैं. Never lose your hope and keep working hard because you don't know. Miracles happens every second. It happened with me and it will happen with you. Thank you.